Video for Connor so he can see all the different things. That's a chicken. Oh, good. There's Mava, pretty girl. Say hi to Connor. I think she came in heat and we missed it. Yes, and Bridget getting her sugars. And there's Copper. Copper Man. Get the chickens. Oh, that's a pretty chicken. Is he gonna crow? Is he gonna do it? I think he's gonna do it. He's mad. He's mad now because Grandma's crowed. She got a bigger crow than he does. Yep. There's Booker. Booker. Hey. Hey, Booker. Hey, pretty boy. Hey, Booker. Oh, he's running. Run, Booker. Hurry, hurry. Get away. Get away. Big dog.